Hare Krishna, Rohini Prabhu. I'm hoping that if I send you a video, it might be easier to explain what's going on and maybe you can help me out here. This is our laundry room. Here's the laundry, but we put a fridge in here and a sink. Now I need to tap into some electric. Problem is, this is the electric I was going to tap into, and it's a 220. So that's obviously not going to work. And there's nothing else over on this wall except for way over here, which is a little bit too far for the sink here. So, because we're going to put cabinets and everything. So what I did is I tapped in on the other side of the wall. I was going to bring some electricity through here. So that electricity is hooked to the water pump. Now here's the circuit breaker box. The circuit breaker, that's for the pump, as you can see here. As soon as I try and turn it on, it flips off. It just will not stay on. So something must be shorting it out. So let's go out in the garage here, see what it looks like on the other side. Okay, so here's the water pump. Hope you can see this, it's not too dark. But where that cable is coming out, this was the line that goes into the water pump. So I was going to tap into this. Now there's no wires in there because I pulled it on the other side. Hoping that I could find out maybe if it was touching, if some staple was biting into it or whatever. So anyway, this is the protective cable that comes out of the wall that is supposed to go into the water pump. So now I'm going to go under the house and you'll see where the wires originate. Okay, so we're just going outside to the side of the house. And now underneath, okay, so let's get the flashlight here and hopefully you'll be able to see this. Okay, so hope you're seeing this. Right there, that's where the wire comes through. If you can see that hole over there, that's where I pulled it out of the cable on the other side. So I checked that staple right there, which is the only place it could be pulling. And nothing's biting into it or anything. I don't see. And then over here, here's the end of the wire. Nothing frayed. Everything looks normal, but for some reason, the breaker just won't flip back on. So I'm really stumped. I don't know what the problem is. Perhaps could it be coincidentally that the breaker went out? I need to replace the breaker? Could that possibly be what it is? I don't know. Anyway, I'm just stumped at this point. I don't know what else to do. So if you get any ideas, could you please let me know. I'd really, really appreciate it. Thank you, Rohini Prabhu. I'm very indebted to you. Haribol.